Improve bone density, strength, balance, and overall longevity with OsteoStrong Hickory. Call 828-270-0918.
The following report contains real arrest records and law enforcement data. All individuals are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.
The WHKY News continues now with the crime report. I'm Rob Eastwood. With details on a conviction and prison sentence in a Catawba County drug case, here's Arianna Mack.
That's correct, Rob. 44-year-old Colby Michael Klene of Newton will serve 6 to 8 years in prison following his conviction for trafficking methamphetamine during Catawba County Superior Court on Friday. The Honorable Jacqueline Grant, Superior Court judge from Buncombe County, imposed terms of the active sentence after Klene entered the guilty plea. In addition, he was assessed a mandatory fine of $500,000. Officers from Hickory Police Department responded to a convenience store on February 5th to address a report of an individual with an outstanding warrant. Upon arrival, they located Klene in a vehicle and made contact with him. During the encounter, they saw a black pouch with clear plastic bags inside that appeared to contain a crystalline substance similar to methamphetamine. The bags were confiscated and Klene was taken into custody. Testing by the state crime lab confirmed the substance to be a trafficking amount of methamphetamine. Carlos de los Santos was the lead investigator for Hickory Police Department. Assistant District Attorney Jonathan Greer prosecuted the matter for the state with aid from legal assistant Stacy London. Reporting for WHKY, I'm Arianna Mack.
Thanks, Arianna. A Catawba County man was sentenced to more than a decade in federal prison in a drug and gun case. 54-year-old Mark Robert Eury of Catawba was sentenced today to 11 years in prison, followed by 5 years of supervised release for trafficking methamphetamine and illegal gun possession. According to filed documents and the court hearing in April of 2021, Eury was convicted of attempted trafficking methamphetamine in North Carolina and was sentenced to prison. After serving a prison term, Eury was released on state probation. Court records show that on March 12th of 2023, members of North Carolina Probation and Parole, with the assistance of the Catawba County Sheriff's Office, conducted a search of the defendant's premises. During the search, they found over 1.5 kilograms of methamphetamine and more than 47 grams of cocaine. Officers also found a loaded Taurus .38 caliber pistol, ammunition, more than $2,100 in U.S. currency, multiple sets of scales, and other drug paraphernalia. Eury was still on probation at the time. On March 12th of this year, Eury pleaded guilty to possession with intent to distribute methamphetamine and possession of a firearm by a felon. A man faces charges filed following a license checkpoint. 43-year-old Charlie Franklin Jones of Statesville was arrested by Iredell County Sheriff's officers. He's charged with felony counts of possession with intent to manufacture, sell, or deliver methamphetamine and maintaining a vehicle for controlled substance, along with misdemeanor counts of possession of drug paraphernalia and open container of alcohol violation. On September 16th at around 11 p.m., officers were conducting a license checkpoint on Old Moxville Road at Chief Thomas Road. During the checkpoint, a Kia Sorento driven by Charlie Franklin Jones pulled up to deputies. An open container of alcohol was immediately spotted in the vehicle. Jones was asked to step out, and upon doing so, deputies discovered crystal methamphetamine in his pocket. Jones reportedly admitted to having multiple additional bags of meth in the vehicle. Deputies seized all illegal substances and Jones was taken into custody. He was transported to the Iredell County Detention Center under a $25,000 secured bond. A district court date is set for October 7th. A man is charged with strangulation. 24-year-old Marcus Chase Dollar of Elizabeth Street Northwest in Lenoir was arrested last Friday by Lenoir police. He's charged with felony assault by strangulation. Dollar was incarcerated in the Caldwell County Detention Center under no bond. A district court date was scheduled on Monday. 21-year-old Daniel Dwayne Messer of Orchard Drive, Lenoir, was arrested Saturday by Caldwell County Sheriff's officers. He's charged with felony possession of methamphetamine. Messer was confined in the Caldwell County Detention Center under no bond. A district court date was scheduled on Monday. And that's our crime report on this Tuesday. Thank you for watching. For WHKY, I'm Rob Eastwood. Stay with us. Jason Savage is up next with your local sports.